Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This AT4 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 and it's bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Coming in to take a look at the interior of the 2023 Sierra, we have power and folding mirrors, push-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights, a full digital gauge cluster, 13.4-inch touchscreen, dual zone climate control, integrated trailer braking. The shifter is now in the middle of the center console, and the rear view mirror is now a camera. Coming out to take a look at the exterior of the Sierra, starting off with the 18-inch alloy wheels paired with the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, color-matched handles, AT4 badging on the door, as well as the 6.2 liter V8 plaque on the fender. Coming around to the front of the truck, LED running lights, fog lights, and black chrome accents on the grille. Making our way back to the end of the truck, this is remote start equipped with rear tinted privacy windows. Here at the end of the truck, it is a GM MultiPro tailgate complete with Sierra and AT4 badging. Rear view cameras on the back of the truck as well, and the tow package to top it all off. Coming back inside the vehicle, taking a look at the back seats, we have in-seat storage, heated seats as well as a 60/40 split, Bose sound all around, a single panel sunroof, and twin USB ports in the back. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.